And once again, we have absolutely smacked NQ for a quick 1-4 this morning. Beautiful bottom tick, zero drawdown right off the open, and we bagged a nice 16K in less than 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and rewind the chart. We'll go ahead and break down what I was looking at, what I was seeing in terms of my analysis, and how you can catch trades just like this. So you can see right here, we were at 9:30 a.m. and right off the bat, I noticed that the 15-minute was pretty consolidated and the 4-hour was also pretty consolidated as well. We were really just up at this daily order block, 4-hour order block mean threshold. We had also swept London high and we were really just ranging here at the top. You can see tiny doji candles closing side by side. So the only thing I was noticing right off open is we did have this bullish 4-hour fair value gap down here, also lined up perfectly with London low, the highest high and lowest low between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. Eastern. So I thought, okay, if we do end up reaching down here, we do have a sweep of London low. We would also be in a 4-hour fair value gap. So this could be a very sensitive level in terms of giving a bullish reaction. And even if we do retrace further, we should at least have some sort of a reaction here off of these levels. So let's jump back to the 15. So you can see that 4-hour gap we were looking at is right there. London low is down here, and I noticed one other thing, one other confluence that we can use here, because we also had a bullish order block. So the last down close bearish candle before we decided to do this run up, you can see that drawn out right here is the order block. The midpoint of that, the 50% point, is the order block mean threshold. So that's exactly where I placed my order. I placed my order right above, just one tick above the order block mean threshold, 10-point stop, and I was actually originally aiming for a 1-5 on this one, but it ended up stopping just short of a 1-4.7. So as you can see, plays out pretty nicely here. We can go ahead and just exit out of replay mode, and you can see the trade plays out very nicely. We'll drop down to the 1 minute as well, and you can see beautiful 1-4, was aiming for a 1-5, didn't quite get there, but I TP'd a majority off at a 1-4, and then I took off a couple more contracts here, and then I trailed stop to about this low, so the remainder of the contracts were stopped out in profit. So overall, beautiful textbook trade, 16K on the day, so not too shabby. If you want to learn this exact strategy, go ahead and click that video in the top right-hand corner, and if you want to trade live with me, catch these same exact top and bottom tick setups and see how I do my analysis, where I place my entries, and how I manage my trades, you can click the link in the description and trade with me during the New York session. We had a ton of people in the chat catch this as well. Challenges passed, payout secured. So we're absolutely eating this week. So make sure to hop in there as well. Other than that, hope you have an amazing day, guys. Stay blessed, and we'll see you in the next one.